What is it, son? Are you alright?
No, I'm not.
What happened?
You know what, mommy? I kept on wondering why humans will not give up on cutting down our trees. It's not fair on the ecosystem. This is because it's currently affecting our world in general. Mom, let me explain something to you. Deforestation is the process of cutting down trees to make space for something else, like construction or farming, etc. The environment is losing vast areas of woodland, jungles, and forests, and is currently affecting our world in general, and a myriad of plant and animal species are going extinct. This in turn affects the climate and weather, which causes climate change and biodiversity loss. Do you also know that deforestation releases all the carbon dioxide in a tree that has been stored over the years, and this carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that brings huge amounts of environmental challenges? Do you know that the forest has the most valuable resources that can sustain the world, such as clean air, source of food, construction materials, and much more? Forests are a major line of defense against climate change. A single tree can absorb up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere each year, which makes the trees the most effective scrubbing machines of carbon dioxide. Despite this, forests are being systematically eliminated all over the world for agriculture. We need to help the environment by economic growth without destroying more of our intact trees. Fuel remaining intact forests by implementing sensible approach to energy, land use, and agriculture. We can greatly reduce deforestation and create more trees. We need to stop deforestation and allow reforestation to regain supreme on the land. Reforestation is the planting of trees, which is vital to counterbalance the deforestation that has occurred. Only through planting of trees can we restore damaged landscape and have healthy forests. Trees are a lifeline not only because they produce paper, timber, and chewing gum, but because they serve an important role in the oxygen cycle, food chain, and even serves as food for many living things, including humans. But sadly, we often treat trees as something to be harvested for economic gain or as an inconvenience in the way of human expansion. Do you know that since humans began practicing agriculture around 12,000 years ago, they have cut down nearly half of the world's estimated 5.8 trillion trees, leaving us only with 3 trillion of them, which is devastating. If all trees were cut down, almost all animal species will slowly start to go extinct, and the remaining ones will have to feed on the dead timber and leaves in order to survive. And nearly 99 of the trees lying on the floor will start rotting and will release 35 billion tons of CO2, which will eventually pollute our air. Because of this, even humans won't be able to survive, as this air won't be suitable for breathing. Do you know that trees help prevent soil erosion and maintain its quality for agriculture? Without trees, soil erosion will become more prevalent, and eventually all the soil will lose its fertility. Humans will have nothing to eat. The earth climate will also be drastically changed in the long run. That is because trees immediate the water cycle by acting as biological pumps. They draw water from the soil and deposit it into the atmosphere by converting it from liquid to vapor. By doing this, forests contribute to cloud formation and rainfall at the same time. Trees also control flood by trapping water. So if all trees were cut down, green areas will become dry and more prone to droughts. When rain falls, there will be floods, which will be disastrous, and massive erosion will impact oceans, suffocating coral reefs and other marine habitats. Coastal regions and islands will lose their borders to the ocean, and many will be washed away. Most of the land will submerge under the ocean. Trees have cooling effect on our environment. They absorb heat and channel solar radiation into the trees. They convert water into vapor. So without all these, trees are already lifeless. Our planet will head towards a catastrophic global warming, and we remain nothing but a lump of mud in the universe. Do you know that global tropical forests lost average 3.36 million hectares or 8.3 million acres a year, which is a matter of concern for the future of this world. Stop deforestation, start afforestation, start reforestation, and start planting trees. I I hope you've learned something important today. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Stay relevant, stay informed. Thank you.